it's time for the Allure Beauty Box. I'm really happy with this so far. The stuff I got last month, I do a video every month, so you can go check that out. I've almost used it up, like a couple of the things, so we're gonna cut this baby open and I'm doing an unboxing. I know, it's crazy. Okay, I did want to say last month we did get a little sneak peek at what's coming in and I was very excited as I mentioned it. So what even month is this? May? Is this May? It is, okay. So we have our little paper thing, so we're just gonna go through the little bag they give you, and then there's, what's this? Okay, a lip gloss, La Ritzy. Never heard of this brand before. Paraben-free and cruelty-free, wonderful. Vibe. Ooh, I hope it's like not a gross color that I won't like. But it's like so light. Should I try it on camera right now? There's a vanilla smell to it. It smells something like similar to NYX. It's a little light. It's like the same color as my shirt. Feels nice though. It's like not sticky. It doesn't actually have shimmer, but it's a very light shade. Like I don't think a lot of people are gonna like that. Let's see how much that was. I am all over the place today. It's $20 full price. It feels nice, it does. Now Saint Tropez, which I was very excited about something coming from Saint Tropez. It says that you could either get the Saint Tropez Self Tan Purity Bronzing Water Gel or the face mist. I was hoping for the face mist, but I think I got the gel. And how exciting, they give you a full-size tanning mitt. I already have like 10 of these because I'm obsessed with Saint Tropez tanning mitts. So I have another one to add to the collection. Wonderful, I love those. So that was a nice little perk. Now the bag they give you every month, I've gotten a white, a black, and a clear. This month, everything just fell out of the bag because I have a problem, guys. That was really embarrassing. This month it's orange and it doesn't have snaps on it, and that's why everything fell out. It's cool looking and it reminds me of a blow up chair I used to have in my room when I was in the 90s, but I'm probably just gonna donate that. It's got the water gel, natural looking glow in 3 hours, bronzing water gel from Saint Tropez, 24 mils. So it's a very tiny little thing, but I will definitely try that. Should I smell it? Can I open this? Oh my god, that smells so good. What does that smell like? Oh, that smells so good. Literally, if you have a Sephora in Ulta near you, smell this because I don't know what it smells like, but it smells so, it reminds me of something. Oh my god, what is it? Is it like that green lotion, the after sun lotion from like Hawaiian Tropic? I'm excited to try that, so that's exciting. It's really tiny, but you know, what are you gonna do? Next we have a Model Co. Eyelights Metallic Eyeshadow in St. Bart's. I'm not into metallic eyeshadow, as you can see. All I have right now is brows and that lip gloss on. I'm not like, whatever. I can't be bothered with makeup half the time. This is $12. Oh, by the way, the bronzing water gel was $44, and I don't think they include the mitt. I think the mitt is $6.99. Ooh, and this isn't my color. I'm not even gonna try that. I was gonna swatch it. It's like a bronzy gold color. It's pretty. It's just like a cream eyeshadow in gold. $12 for that. So tiny. Yeah, that's not really my thing. Next up, what do we have? Called Lou. Am I saying that wrong? Lue. By Jean CO Erase Cleansing Exfoliating and Brightening Powder. Combine this loose powder exfoliator with milk powder, made with milk powder and oats with water. Apply, wait a minute, massage it away, unclogs pores, renders skin soft. Oh, I thought it was a regular cleanser, but it's like an exfoliator. Okay, cool. It's humongous. What? This is interesting. Mix a tablespoon of Erase with half a tablespoon of water to form a paste. Apply to face, let dry for 1 minute. While still damp, gently massage away. Paste should come off like eraser peels. Ew. Taking blackheads out and reducing large pores. Add a drop of water to continue erasing if paste dries. Use twice a week or as needed. Okay, cool. 15 bucks. Oh, that's not that bad. It literally looks like almond flour. That's what it looks like in here. It literally smells like you just opened a bag of flour. This is cool. I'm actually way more excited about this than I thought. I thought I was supposed to get something from More Pacific. That's what it said in the freaking thing, and it's not here. Anyways, whatever. Next is anti-frizz sheets. They give you 2 little sheets in little packets. And pretty much what they are is like a sheet that you rub on your head to get rid of frizz, which is interesting. Hair luster sheets with coconut oil and UV protection. I'm pretty sure you can use dryer sheets to do the exact same thing. Don't know how much are these? 18 for a box of 15. That's a lot. It's not my thing. I don't really have frizzy hair. My mom does though, so I'll definitely give her these. They're cool, whatever. It's something different. This has not been my favorite, I can tell you that right now. I'm most excited about the Saint Tropez and the cleanser. But next up we have something from Laneige. I do love Laneige. I love their lip sleeping mask. I love their new little glossy, whatever they're called. I don't like their water sleeping mask for the face. I found it very sticky. So what this is called Water Bank Moisture Cream for normal to dry skin. It's a mini. The full size is $35, just pretty what I'd expect from Laneige. It comes in this little cute little thing. Oh my god, I need reading glasses. Okay, hydrating and soothing, richly textured cream with hydroionized mineral water to circulate and retain moisture. Wow, that's a lot of ingredients. Squalene is one of the main ingredients though. Quinoa seed extract, dimethicone. But let's try it on my hand and kind of see what we think. Oh my god, there's like on the little circle here, there's directions. Who can read this? Oh my god, I'm not that old. I should be able to read this. It says, gently spread from corner, center of the face, outward, after essence. Oh my god. Literally, I wish you could see how tiny that writing is. Oh wow, it really is a cream. I don't know why I always think everything from Laneige is like a gel. A white cream. It has a nice smell, like a spa smell, but still I don't really like fragrance in my face skincare products. It's definitely hydrating. I mean, that feels really, really nice. I will probably use this as a hand cream. I know people are gonna be like, what a waste. But I do really like it. I just feel like I don't want to risk anything on my skin and my face. So that's it for my Allure Beauty Box unboxing. This definitely wasn't my favorite. Was it worth the $15? I'm gonna say yes, but like the way I just said yes, not like yeah, you know what I mean? And I think that's all I have to say. So yeah, if you like this, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out my other Allure Beauty Box videos. I do have a link down below for you to sign up to if you're interested. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to see more from me, and I will see you next time. Bye!